Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll introduce you Bitunix, which is crypto exchange platform, and I am using it actively also. If you don't have a crypto account or if you are willing to buy some crypto coins, here is the right address. You can get your VIP account instantly by signing up through our Refferal link down below and get some rewards. So if you are ready, I will explain how Bitunix works exactly. Welcome back, traders. Today's deep dive is brought to you by our exclusive partner, Bitunix. By signing up through our special link, you'll unlock VIP1 status instantly, meaning ultra-low fees, spot as low as 0.02% maker / 0.04% taker, futures down to 0.01% / 0.03%, immediate access to both spot markets and up to 125 times leveraged futures, plus our weekly VIP mystery box rewards. Inside each box, you might find USDT vouchers, fee discount coupons, or even cool gadgets, all yours just for trading. These perks kick in the moment you register here. Check the link in the description below and start trading at the best rates today. Here you can see my recent futures trade history. I opened a short on Soon/USDT at 0.435 USDT and closed the position at 0.3845 USDT, locking in almost $600 in profit. I've made a quick video breakdown of this trade, just click the card in the top right corner to watch. As we speak, Soon/USDT is hovering around 27 cents, so you can imagine how much more profit would have been possible had I held on a bit longer. This is not financial advice, just sharing my own trade for transparency. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Let's illustrate with two realistic leverage longs, one on Bitcoin and one on Ethereum, using live prices. Current prices, Bitcoin, BTC, around $105,900 and Ethereum, ETH, is around $2,440.21. You basically select the contract and AMP, leverage. For BTC, choose BTC/USDT perpetual with 125 times isolated margin. For ETH, choose ETH/USDT perpetual with 100 times isolated margin. These are only examples. You can decide the multiply margin by your own choice. Then allocate your margin. Suppose you commit 100 USDT on BTC. At 125 times, that opens a 12,500 USDT position. On ETH with 50 USDT at 100 times, your position size is 5,000 USDT. And the price, move and AMP, P and AMP, L. Bitcoin example, BTC sits at $105,931. A 2% rally takes it to about $108,049, $105,931 times 1.02. Your 12,500 USDT position, that's 2% times 12,500 USDT equals 250 USDT profit before funding. Ethereum example, ETH at $2,440.21. A 1% dip lands at $2,415.81. $2,440.21 times 0.99. Your 5,000 USDT position loses 1% times 5,000 USDT equals 50 USDT. After you open in position and AMP, you can always monitor it live. Click buy/long. Bitunix instantly shows your liquidation price, maintenance margin, and estimated funding fees. With matches under 1 millisecond, slippage stays minimal, even at 125 times. And you can easily close your trade. Click sell/close to lock in gains or cut losses. For instance, if BTC climbed 5% to $111,227, your profit would be 5% times 12,500 USDT equals 625 USDT minus fees. Remember, higher leverage magnifies both profits and risks. Trade responsibly. Next up, Let's explore Bitunix's suite for passive income. You can stake stablecoins like USDT or USDC and top tokens such as ETH, BNB, or ADA in either flexible, withdraw anytime, or fixed-term plans. APYs range from a few percent up to double digits, with rewards auto-compounded on select products. All interest is calculated and distributed daily, landing right in your spot balance. Whether you want quick access or lock-in yields for 7, 30, or even 90 days, Earn makes your idle crypto work for you. If you'd rather let experts handle the charts, Bitunix's copy trading has you covered. Browse proven strategies, each shows ROI, max drawdown, win rate, and active copier counts. Allocate as little as 10 USDT to start or scale up. Set risk controls, take profit, stop loss, and daily drawdown limits. Hit copy and watch every trade the pro makes replicate in real time in your account. You can pause or stop copying anytime. It's hand-free exposure with professional risk management, perfect for busy traders. Security remains paramount. Over 95% of user funds live in multi-signature cold wallets with real-time risk checks on every order. Bitunix publishes monthly proof of reserves reports, enforces strict KYC/AML, and uses ISO 27001 grade infrastructure. Whenever you need help, their 24/7 live chat support team is ready, whether you're troubleshooting an API integration or verifying your account. So why Bitunix? You get a unified platform for spot, up to 125 times futures, earn, and copy trading deep liquidity across major pairs. Your large orders won't move the market industry-leading security and full regulatory compliance, ultra-low fees via our VIP code. Plus, weekly mystery box rewards a beginner-friendly UI with advanced API access. For algo traders, it's everything you need, all in one place. That wraps up our Bitunix deep dive. Ready to supercharge your trading journey? Sign up through our link to unlock the IP1 status, instantly low fees, up to 125 times leverage, mystery box rewards, and more. Head to our special link and use our promo code to get it instantly. And that was it for this video. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, see you next time, and happy trading.